That's nuts.
Hey everybody, Dale and Leanna here from Moments of Adventure, and welcome to Lake McConaughy, Nebraska. So if you're coming to Lake McConaughy, there's two ways to bring your RV. The first way is the way we do it, is straight on the beach. So we are right here, just steps away from the water. It is dry camping all the time, so you have to bring everything you need in and everything you need out. And the other way to do it is the campground, which is Lone Eagle Campground. There's a couple of other ones, but Lone Eagle is in the state park. That's the one I would recommend. It's got a good water entry over there.
Full hookups.
Full hookups. But on the beach, it's 30 days advance booking. So if you have a weekend in mind, make sure you plan it 30 days in advance and get your spot on the beach. Then when you get here, you call Chris the tractor guy. It's $110 to pull you down to the water and back, and he'll pull you wherever you want to go, angle it however you need.
Yeah, so that's
definitely
total.
Worth the money.
Total 110, not each way.
Step one, you gotta lose your shoes because you're walking in the sand. We're in area 16. There's lots of areas to go, but we like area 16.
Yeah, there's multiple sandy beach, and it's you do have to pick a beach like you said, but once you pick the beach, you can go anywhere on the beach.
Anywhere in that section.
Yeah, anywhere in that section. There's a camp. Issues. We got a couple of people stuck
in the sand.
One of our friends got stuck pulling the jet skis out of the water. I was pulling them in and out, not a problem, but I aired down the tires pretty far. I've learned my lesson in the past. Plain sea right here.
Okay, I like it. He's wiping it off. We did pick the perfect week to come because it was 100 degrees last week. Next week it's going to be 100 again, and while we were here it was mid-80s all week long, so it was absolutely perfect. The wind kept the bugs down.
So we did go to a couple of places to eat while we were here, Admirals Cove and Boxcar.
All right, we're at Admirals Cove and we got the bang shrimp. Last year was super good. Let's hope it's the same. It's pretty good, but the batter is slightly underdone. Yeah, I really like the truffle fries. But I'm a little jaded because last year it was so delicious. I would have recommended it to anybody. This year, it was good. It was good bar food. Yeah.
Drinks were good. I had the pina colada, which they call it the what? The
Lotta colada.
Lotta colada. It was good.
I had the flamingo drink, and it was absolutely pure sugar. I would not order that again, nor would I recommend anybody to order it, because it was not good.
So last night we went to Boxcar, and it was good. Bar food once again. Lamone, Nebraska.
Lamone, is that where we are?
I think so. Got some nachos. Got an iced tea. Margarita. Dishwater. I don't know. What is that?
Ocean water.
Ocean water. Nachos are good.
Nachos pretty good.
A little spicy, but good. Yeah, we've had a fabulous week here. Great time. A little bit of weather at the beginning of the week.
We had a couple storms that moved through. One was a pretty windy storm. The other ones were just sprinkles.
Yeah, one we actually got hail.
It was a thrilling 5 minutes.
Yeah, and that it went from sunny to complete chaos to sunny in 20 minutes. It was nuts. Like I said, water's great. You can't get better than this, especially in Nebraska. I mean, look at the beaches. I mean, they're fantastic. Fantastic. There's a reason you hire the tractor guy, Chris the tractor guy, to pull you down. The sand is very deceiving, very soft, and even though we've had rain, you will get stuck. You got this guy coming. He's struggling. And he's done. And what are you guys doing?
We're watching the show. I don't know whether to watch this show or that show. We got this. It's a good day.
You know what that's called? That's called a double feature.
Woo! A double feature.
Peanut gallery.
Oh.
He's all right. Then he goes too far.
Oh.
Yeah. Go, go, go! Keep going!
Stop, you're moving! You're moving! Head towards the hard.
We are at 111 subscribers right now, so thank you everyone for subscribing. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to their channel because we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So thanks for helping us out with that, and we will see you on our next adventure.
See you, everybody. You've made a mess.
I'm having a hard time.
Oh, no. Is it good?
Very good. I feel like I was just in the middle of a marital right there.
Why are you looking at me?
Oh, I don't know. Hey everybody, Dale and Leanna here from Moments of Adventure, and we have a tire monitor going up.
Have to see here.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Filming?